Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate on how to install Python. So let us open our browser here. After opening our browser, I want us to type Python. After typing Python, press enter. So here we can see this is Python, our website, www.python.org. So I want us to go to our Python website, as you can see here. Once we get there to Python website, this is our landing page, and we can go here on download, and we see all releases, source code, and Windows. So if you are looking for a Windows Python version for Windows, you can click here. If you are looking for Mac OS, you click here. So if you are looking for other platforms, you click here. If you want to download this, you just have to click this download button. But if you are looking for Mac OS operating system, you just click for Mac OS operating system. Then you can download these releases, as you can see here. But as for myself, I'm using a Windows, so I'm going to click Python, this one for downloading. Okay, and the download will start right here, as you can see. Okay, as you can see here, the download is done. So what we need to do is to run our file. We have to execute our file, open here. Okay, I think we can minimize this. Right, so after minimizing this, now run. So we run our Python program. Okay, so upgrade now. So I have another Python that I have installed already. So you can replace the existing with the current one. So I'm clicking upgrade. Okay, so as you can see here, it's complete, and if there's an option for you to add it to path, you should click add to path. But for myself, since I'm upgrading, it means I had already add this Python version to my path. And at your terminal, type py to launch Python, or search for Python in your start menu. So what we're going to do, let us close this. So on your start menu, if you press the Windows button, this is start menu will come up, and this is our Python manual, as you can see. And if you scroll down here to the letter P, we will discover that we have the Python, also Python version, as you can see here. For me now, I have two versions, 3.9, and this is my new version that I've installed. However, you can also use the CMD command prompt, then press enter. After doing so, you can type py as mentioned, so it will trigger the Python interpreter, as you can see here, Python 10.7, and you can say 2 plus 2 and press enter, and now you can see that everything is working fine. Okay, so let us see, exit this, exit. All right, so we have successfully installed Python for our project. So what's left is to figure the virtual environment for our project in a folder, that all the projects that we are going to do will be in a particular folder. And each and every project that we are going to do, we are going to delete it and set it for distribution if you want to give a friend. So in this course, I'll be demonstrating step by step on how you can be application or a Windows or a desktop application. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.